This is Mike from MPC Stuff. Today we're going to show you an installation on our new screen protectors for the Akai MPC Live. Your MPC Live is originally going to come with a thin screen protector, which offers a little bit of scratch resistance, but a lot of you probably noticed already it will scratch off if it is. You might keep yours on there, you might decide to put something better on. These ones are 0.3 inches thick, which is a lot thicker than the original, and these will actually give you some impact resistance as well that the MPC original ones do not. These ones are similar to ones that you had on your cell phone for protection. The protection, obviously, if you drop a hammer on it and something like that, it's not going to protect, but the average thing that you'd have around to drop on it, it would give protection from scratching and cracking. So we're going to show you now how to go ahead and install this on the MPC Live. The same one can also be used on the MPC Touch as well. And we also have ones available for the MPC X to protect the screens on the MPC X. So make sure you check out our website. When you get it, you're going to notice it'll come with microfiber cloth to clean off your screen before installing, and the screen protector itself. You'll notice this is blue. This is just a cover that's going over the top side. This side is going to be the upside to it. So you can actually keep the blue side on if you want it at the beginning, but it might be easier to take it off. It really depends on what you want. However, I would suggest making sure that if you do keep the blue side on, that when you pull off this side, to make sure not to get handprints or anything on these things, or it will set up little bubbles in here. So first things first, we're going to take our microfiber cloth. I forgot to mention, make sure you take off your original screen protector if you're going to put this on. So we're going to go ahead and clean this off with our microfiber cloth that's included with your purchase at mpcstuff.com. And we're going to have it all clean. Like I said, this top part, the blue part, is going to go up, and then the bottom part is going to be a clear section. So you're going to take this clear section up here, and then we're going to go ahead and start the installation. Alright, now we're ready to install. We've made sure everything's clean. We've taken both sides off of ours. We took the blue side and the underside. Remember, the blue side is the side that's going to be the top. We've taken ours off just so we can see where the bubbles are when we put this on. But that's okay. You can also keep your blue side on if you want and then take it off after. It just becomes harder sometimes because if you take the blue side off when it's already on there, then it can be kind of pull up when you're putting these on. So we're going to try to get this centered here and start in one corner. So we have ours centered right here, and we're going to kind of press and give some pressure into this corner here. We're going to use our squeegee to kind of get the air bubbles out as we go across the unit. That way we don't end up with any bubbles when we first put it on. Then once we get anything, if you see any bubbles, try to work them out. You might have to lift it up. If there's any debris on there, it will create a bubble. So make sure that your screen that you're working with is completely clean. And so what we try to do is just kind of going across here, go towards the bottom, and then we'll let it go up this way. You'll see little spots. When you see spots, the way it works, you can rub them into the corners to get them out. So we're rubbing all our spots out here. I'll note that I do see one spot. No, that one's going away too. If you do see a piece of debris in there that's holding your spot, you might have to lift up an edge to get rid of that little piece. But if you press on it a little bit, usually these will go away, unless you have a piece of debris under there or a larger air pocket that just won't come out, and then you'll just have to keep pressing down. Or I'll see this one here in this corner. I can pull up just a little bit. Be very careful not to pull up too strong, or you'll end up not being able to stick that corner like I just did. But now we have that done here, and as you can see, all of it is done, and we have it down, and this will now protect our screen. And when we turn on the unit, which we'll show you next, you'll still be able to function all of the touchscreen functions on the unit. Thanks, and you can buy these covers for the MPC X, the MPC Live, MPC Touch at mpcstuff.com.